Hey everyone, and welcome to the show. On this episode, Jessi is going to show you how to wrap the exhaust pipes with a Sportster 48. Let's take a look at the parts and tools you'll need to complete this job. First, you'll need the exhaust wrap, 4 hose clamps, a 5/16 driver, a small bucket, and finally, a pair of gloves. Start by soaking the exhaust wrap in a bucket of warm water for a minute or two. Start the wrap at the rear of the pipe by folding over the edge of the wrap under itself. Install the rear hose clamp at this time to secure the wrap. Working from the rear of the bike to the front, continue wrapping the pipes, overlapping the wrap by 1 inch each pass. Fold over the edge of the wrap under itself like before. Secure the wrap with another hose clamp. Following the same steps as before, wrap the front exhaust pipe. Start the motorcycle and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. The wrap will smoke for about 5 to 10 minutes as the water and chemicals burn off. Once the pipe stops smoking, the wrap is dry and cured. Well, that about wraps up this episode of the show. As always, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, subscribe to our page.